very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for today, Monday, the 22nd of November. The main topic here of this morning and the main driver for the markets has been that Ireland has now officially asked for financial assistance from the EU, IMF and ECB. We've had somewhat of a relief rally overnight in Asia and into the European Open, where the euro has seen firmer across the board. Financials were the best performing at the open of the equity markets, which were up around 1% or so in opening trades, and Bund futures lower, with the Irish over Bund spread trading around 15 basis points tighter. However, as the sessions progressed and given a very light economic calendar, equity markets have given up some of those initial moves, with financials now becoming the worst performing sector. They've asked for aid in Ireland, however a lot of the details are still lacking in terms of in what form they will come. As such then, there's also news been in the FT that's weighed on financials, saying that given the forthcoming Basel III regulations, that the top 35 US banks may have a capital shortfall of some $100 to $150 billion. As such, the Irish banks have now declined. A lot of bank restructuring is expected to take place there in the beleaguered country, so we'll continue to monitor the situation there. But for the time being, equities still hold on to minor gains and the euro still seem generally firmer across the board. Another story of note, which may get more attention when the US start to come in, is that one of the PBOC advisors, Lee Dao-Koo, has said early this morning that the PBOC could consider selling treasuries in response to the recent move by the Federal Reserve to do further quantitative easing. Take a look in terms of the actual calendar for the rest of the day. It's pretty quiet overall. We'll have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index and a European Consumer Confidence number later on this afternoon, so no real major data from the US economy. However, we do have a couple of auctions. We have a New York Fed outright Treasury coupon purchase. Today they're looking to buy back around 7 to 9 billion of Feb 2018 to November 2020 maturities. And given the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday and the market closures in the US, we'll also look out for the Treasury to sell off today 35 billion in a 2-year note. Aftermarket as well for equity traders. Hewlett-Packard are also due to report, but the main thing here is to keep an eye out for any further details in regard to this Irish plan. However, according to most sources, it might not come for another few weeks, even though it has now been asked for, and the analysts are looking for a total package size of around 80 to 90 billion euros. That concludes the European opening wrap. We'll have another update to come at the European cash equity close. So for the time being, that's all from me, and I wish you all a great trading day.